Hey guys, welcome back. As you already know that AMD has launched 3100 and 3300X processors along with B550 motherboard. So the question is whether you should buy this processor or not, or you should go with Intel i3. So to find the answers of all these questions, let's dive into the video. Looking at the processors, both 3100 and 3300X comes with the 4-core 8-thread with 65 at TDP and 16 MB cache memory. 3100 has a base clock of 3.6 GHz and a max boost up to 3.9 GHz. On the other side, 3300X has a base clock of 3.8 GHz and boost up to 4.3 GHz. Looking at the thermal solution, both the processors comes with Wraith Stealth CPU cooler. Now coming to the pricing of this processors, 3100 is launched at $99, which is approximately 7,500 Indian rupees, which I think is a bit higher than what Intel i3 is being sold in Indian market. But as this is an approximate pricing, the comparison will not be worth till the time we get an actual on-shelf Indian pricing. I think the processors will be the Intel killer if it is launched in India below 7,000 rupees. Comparing it with the Intel 9th generation 9100F core i3, which is a 14nm 4-core 4-thread processors with a base frequency of 3.6 GHz, which max to 4.2 GHz as a cache memory of just 6 MB, which is 10 MB less than 3100, and also you get 4 extra threads, which makes 3100 an absolute Intel killer. On the other hand, the pricing of 3300X is $120, which is approximately 9,000 Indian rupees, which I think is on the higher side because there is 3500 from AMD, which is a 6-core 6-thread processor selling in the Indian market at around 10,500 to 11,000 rupees. So I think shelling out extra 1,500 to 2,000 bucks on that 2 extra cores would be a worth buy. If 3300X is launched in India below 8,000 rupees, then it could be the best buy. Now coming to the B550 motherboard, which will be available by around June 2020, is a much awaited budget chipset in which you will be able to take advantage of PCI Gen 4. Once we get hands-on all the processors, we'll be testing them in details. So that was all about 3100 and 3300X processors along with B550 motherboard. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you want to buy any of the product, the link is given in the description box below. We'll be back with the next video. Until then, goodbye.